Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn an inlay drawer into an overlay drawer. Then we will assemble the drawers into a desk carcass. And I'll walk you through how to install the drawer slides properly. If you want to follow along, you can download the starter model and the finished files from the website below for free. Alright, let's get started. First, open the inlay drawer. We are going to modify the front panel and delete the pad that we added before and the sketch. Next, let's create a new body and name it as the drawer face. Then create a new sketch. Select the XZ plane and draw a rectangle. Select these 2 points and this axis, constraint symmetrical. Before adding the dimension, let's go to the spreadsheet. We are going to add 3 parameters: the up overlay distance, the bottom overlay distance, and the side overlay distance. Next, set a default value and the alias. Then go back to the sketch. Here we need to modify the workbench. Now we can add a dimension. Go to the expression edit. Set the vertical distance of this point to be the box height plus the up overlay distance. And this one to be the bottom overlay distance. Then let's add a length for this line. The box length plus double side overlay distance. Now close the sketch and go to pad. Set the length to 80. Okay. Then select the body and go to the placement. Transform it in the Y direction. Go to the expression edit. Make it move in the negative direction with a box face. Then go to the right view to check. It's okay. Next, let's save the file as the overlay drawer. We are going to create holes for the slide. And let me show you the slides I select for this drawer. It's the headish. Length is 500. You can download the model and find the installation. You see the distance between the drawer and the carcass is 12.7. So let's modify the drawer width. We can tell the windows. The box length is the drawer width. It equals 460 minus 12.7 multiplied by 2. Then set height to 150 and keep the other parameters. Next, we are going to create holes for the slide on the sideboard. Let's go to the drawer and go to the part design workbench. Then activate the left panel. Create a sketch on this face. First, draw a construction line. Then draw 4 circles. And select all the circles, make them to be equal. Then we can add a dimension. Here we use the drawer face as a reference. So first add a length for the construction line. Set it to the box width. Now let me capture the slide dimensions and pin it. Next, add a distance for the circles. Set this distance to 37 and the second to 96. The third one to 160 and the last one to 344. Then set this distance to half of the box height. and set the diameter to 3. Because the diameter for this screw is 4, then close the sketch and go to Pocket. Let me go to the top or bottom view to check. And set the length to 14. Then click OK. We created the holes on the left panel. It generated on the right panel too. Because we used the clone tool to create the right panel. So here we need to delete the right panel and duplicate the object again. Uncheck all and select the left panel and select the pocket, not the last one. Then click OK. Next, let's modify the name as the right panel and transform the body. Rotate 180 degrees and move it with the box width in the Y direction. OK. Then let's continue. Activate this panel and create a sketch on this face. Before create a sketch, let's go to the left panel and find the sketch we created before. Then create a shape binder. And we can find it in the right panel. Now we can hide the left panel and create a sketch on this face. Then go to the projection tool. Select these circles. Then close the sketch and go to Pocket. Set the length to 14. OK. Now we can show the left panel. After that, you can assemble this drawer. Here, I don't walk you through the details. You can take it as a practice. Next, we are going to create holes on the carcass. Let's hide the assemble and go to the multi-body. First, activate the left panel. Select this face and create a sketch on it. First, create a line. Then draw 4 circles. And select these 4 circles constraint equal. Next, add dimension. Set the length of this line to the box height. OK. Then set the first distance to 37. This one to 128. The third one to 224. The last one to 288. And set the diameter to 5. Then this distance to 100. Now we can close the sketch and go to Pocket. Set the length to 14. OK. The right board is the clone body, so the holes are synced on it. It's fine they are on the bottom. Next, let's pattern the pocket. Set the occurrence to 3 and modify the model to spacing. Then go to the expression edit. Set the distance to box width divided 3. And reverse the direction. Click OK. Then hide the multi-body and go to the assembly. Activate the assembly. Go to the component and insert the jaw assembly. Then adjust the position of it and add a fixed joint. And select the circular edge. Then rotate 90 degrees and reverse the direction. Then modify the offset to 20.7. OK. And next, let's modify the overlay distance of the jaw face and set the top and the bottom distance to 25. Then we can tail the windows and modify the side distance. Set it to 20 plus 12.7. And next, go to the carcass. Then go to the front view to check. That's fine. After that, insert and constrain the other 2 jaws. Then you can add the slide on the jaw and the carcass. OK, thanks for watching. If this is helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in the next one.